Finally, the Complete Speech Laboratory has been launched. It is complete with all you need to train your students how to become fluent in English in only 5 months or less. You will notice that it uses the adaptive multi-channel digital audio-video data switch with dynamic headset and the student's digital terminal, where your students could practice pronunciation and record their voices, and you can access the recorder file automatically into your hard disk and evaluate your students' performance later. You can also use the modeling tools that helps you to demonstrate how sounds are produced and articulated, based in the International Phonetic Alphabet, IPA, supported by pronunciation practice together with more word drills, extensive sentence drills to gain mastery of the lessons. To know more, you might want to go to google.com and type Best Speech Laboratory in your browser to find the website of Bottom Line Speech Laboratory, or directly visit www.bottomlinephoneticSpeechLab.com to know more, or you might want to send an email to bottomlinespeechlab@yahoo.com, or you may call 092053947111 to enjoy more benefits and bonuses. Call now.